Good morning. I'm Dr. Marianne Pearson, a full-time professor of communication arts, teaching public relations, journalism, and comm courses at CBU. Been with the university for, it's actually 14 years now, believe it or not, since 2005. However, I was at CBU Online and Professional Studies from 2012 to the summer of 18 when I returned to campus. So I'm helping out the assessment office and helping to do assessment for our department. And I've been speaking with Professor Marsh, and so we wanted to give you a couple of options. I know last semester you were all very gracious to do the tally sheets that we got to Dr. Morris in CBU's assessment office, and that's an actually okay way to do it if you'd like to continue to do it that way. However, there is another way you can do it, and that would be by using the rubric that is in Blackboard. Dr. Morris has assured me that in every COM 113 course, there are rubrics. And you can see I have a couple copies of it, but it's actually just the one rubric here. And this rubric can either be embedded into an assignment, like I have mine embedded into the final assignment, which is the tribute speech. And so you can grade it with that rubric, or you can do like Prof. Mars does and create a different assignment that you attach the rubric to, and this can go with any assignment in your course, and you use the rubric to grade that. The goal of this project is and this assessment duty we have is to assess the learning according to standards that are kind of industry standard, and so they are looking for they have come up with a rubric that's used by many institutions, and they're looking to gather data to be sure we are teaching and meeting those learning objectives. So with that said, it does not have to be done on all of us doing it on the tribute speech, although that's where I do it. You can choose another assignment to use this rubric for, and you can actually, what Mike Mars says he's done is place the rubric in a column that isn't visible to the students and just assess it that way so that the assessment office gets their data. Now, the particular details of either attaching it to the assignment and embedding it and using it, or doing it the way Professor Mars has done, those can be provided to you by us with a simple email or phone call should you want that. But I don't want to take the time to discuss it in this screencast-o-matic because I know that some of you may just use the tally sheet, some may be very familiar with rubrics in Blackboard and just very confident to use it that way. But should you need help, do not hesitate to reach out to either myself at mpearson@calbaptist.edu, or you can find me on the webpage as well, or to Professor Mars, and we will be happy to help you. What I will do is open up this rubric for you so that you can see what it looks like. It is a rubric that is talking about a presentation designed to increase knowledge, to foster understanding, or to promote change to the listener's attitudes, and they have criteria that may not make that much sense to your students, particularly if they're used to another grading form. That's why you can use it, as a supplement, just so that we get the data. But all of the information is here for you. And as I said, you can either embed it right into Blackboard, and I'd be happy to help you send some information to help you with that, or you can use it as kind of an alternate assignment that the students don't really see, that you're just doing some supplemental grading on so we get the data. So I hope that makes sense to you. And again, I'm Marianne Pearson, mpearson@calbaptist.edu. Happy to help. And the tally sheet is fine if you want to do that. And if you're at all interested in this technology I'm using to record this platform, it's called Screencast-O-Matic, and you can access it and use it for free. So it's really a good way if you ever want to do some supplemental lectures online for students, and happy to share anything with you about that as well. Definitely collaboration and working together makes us all better. So we are here to help you through this journey in any way and help it with any resource we can. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.